What's up, guys? I'm back with that video I promised after that long boring video of the build and the whatever. So anyways, this is just a quick little startup video, quick little overview for those of you that didn't watch that video. It's my 97 S10 with a 6.0 LQ4. I'm not sure what it came out of. I think that's 2500, not sure. Sloppy stage 2 cam, 317 heads, LS6 intake. It's got springs. It's got let's see what else. Triple air head gaskets. It's nothing special. Stock bottom end. So we're gonna see what happens. Anyways, it's got the VS Racing 7875 trim turbo on it, 125 AR, Tolly Terminator X. Like I said in the last video, don't mind the interior. It's looks pretty terrible right now. I did get rid of the nasty headliner. Yeah, we're making some leeway. Got the switches up, for the boost controller, and then the other two, I'm not sure what I'm gonna put on there yet. Probably trans brake and whatever else. But yeah, let's do a quick startup video real quick. Again, I apologize for the audio if it's not very good, but yeah, here we go. Yeah. Yes, sir. That Holley Terminator X. Truck isn't really tuned right now, so yeah, working through that, but it does run. Take it wherever I want, so we're working on that. Truck is running on E85. Yeah, it's on low boost right now. Yeah, the boost controller is wired up on a switch. Right now, just running off gate with that off. Turn that on. Mac valve starts working. We can hopefully double our boost pressure. So we'll see what we'll drive it later and see what kind of difference that makes. Let's do a quick walk around real quick. I'll make more videos later, guys. I promise. When I have time to drive this thing, I'll hook up my GoPro and we'll go for a ride together. But yeah. Video probably doesn't do it any justice. It sounds pretty good in person. I'm definitely a fan of those side exhausts, but yeah, it's kind of obnoxious, but that's what I want. Loud and fast. So, anyways, that's what we got, guys. It's gonna be a fun little truck, But maybe later on we'll take it for a ride, go down the road, see what y'all think, man. We'll make some pulls. Still think I'm chasing down some boost leaks. I fixed that. Turn this thing off. I still think I'm chasing down some boost leaks. After I removed the blow off valve, I can still hear something up there. So, we'll make some pulls later. We'll see what it does. See what kind of boost it makes. Yeah, have not made any pulls since I fixed the boost leak and got rid of the blow-off valve. I have driven it, and played around with it, but I haven't made no hard pulls. But yeah, kind of is what it is. So we'll see. But yeah, this is it, guys. If you got any questions, if you like the video, please like and subscribe. If you want to see something, let me know. If you need me to make a video on anything specific, just drop in the comments below and just let me know. But if you guys know anybody, shoot them my way to my channel. I'm just here in Central Ohio, trying to make a name for myself. Trying to reach out to everybody I can. Get something going. All right, y'all. Have a good one.